Hi guys, your birthday girl. We have checked into this Airbnb in Liverpool because we just want to celebrate my birthday today. Actually, we were invited by our brother and the wife to have a birthday celebration with him. So we're just gonna be at his house. But as you know that he's got a family and we are also a family, so we needed somewhere to stay and sleep for the night. Can you please turn off the camera? Turn around the camera. Turn it around. So this is the apartment. You see the apartment that we are in. This is a B&B. This is the apartment that we are in. That will be staying for the night. Actually, just for the night, guys. Just for the night. Tomorrow I need to go back home because I need to fix some few things. I need to go. So I think this is gonna be the girls' bedroom. Yeah. I think this is gonna be the name of this is called Dreams. It's Dreams in Liverpool. So this is gonna be the girls' bedroom. I'm not sure about our bedroom. What is this? Oh, okay. This is where the oh, okay. This is where the washing line and the oh, okay. There is the toilet and the bathroom. Okay, that's the bathroom and that's the toilet right there. Okay, close it. And then I think the bedroom is upstairs, the main bedroom, where I'm going to sleep. I think it's upstairs. Let me just go and see. But this Airbnb, it's called Dreams in Liverpool. You can check it out. It's £150 per night. This is £150 per night, but it's worth it because it has got 2 bedrooms. It's like a house. It's like a house. Okay. So this is ours. Okay. This is ours now. We're gonna be here. Hi Kelly, what are you doing here? Okay, not bad. Oh, with an suit. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know why he's switching off this thing. Yeah, so not bad. So yeah, guys, this is where we're gonna be. This is where we're gonna be tonight. We're gonna be here. We're gonna sleep here tonight, but for now it's time for us just to come. We just came here to check in. Apparently what they do, the moment you check in, they send you all the details where you get the key. There's no reception here. The reception is it's online over the phone. So what they do is they send you all the details on how you got in, the PIN numbers, or how to open the front door. When you get in, you go to your number, to your floor. That is ours was 30th floor. Then on that 30th floor, they will tell you the PIN codes of how you get your keys, because the key will be inside where you find, I don't know what to call it, guys. I drink a little bit, so just pardon me. Yeah, pardon me, guys. Yeah. So there is this thing. Yes, where they put the key inside. So you have to match the numbers there. So those numbers to match, they send them to you online. Yeah. So for you to enter the apartment. So we enter the apartment. That's where we are, guys. So yeah, I'm still gonna bring more videos because right now, yeah, I'm just gonna change and I'm just gonna go down and we'll go back to the house. Yes, to the brother's house where we're gonna enjoy for the night, because tomorrow we need to head back. We need to go to Manchester tomorrow. Then from Manchester, we're heading back to Peterborough because we have to do something in Peterborough before we resume working on, I think I'm going to work on Saturday. Yep, Saturday. So yeah, guys, I say that we are celebrating this birthday together. So you are going to see each and every detail of everything that is going to be happening, right, guys? Love you guys. Allow me to enjoy ages. It's catching up. Yeah. But I'm still young, very fit and very young. Yes. So I'm celebrating life, guys, because life is very important. Many people have died, guys, before they reached the age that I am today. So for me to be this age, I have to thank the Lord and I have to be grateful and I have to enjoy my life to the fullest. I'm not going to allow anybody to jeopardize or to disturb my birthday or my peace. Hell no. I'm not going to allow that. I'm not going to do that, guys. Yes, I'll keep being me. I want to be in a positive mood. I'll stay in the positive mood. I don't want the negatives. So please, with your negativity, get away. go to hell. I want people with positive attitude. My dairy angle, they've got positive attitude. If I tell them we don't want negativity, they stop negativity. That's who we are. That's us. So if you are full of negativity, you are not one of us. Please get away. Guys, see you again. Papa Tino Tevera. Love you. Mwah.